Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to download and install third-party apps on your iPhone. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So basically after iOS 17.4 updates, Apple has introduced a new feature in European countries that only countries in Europe now install alternative apps instead of the App Store, which means you can simply download and install apps from other than App Store in that specific countries. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to simply update your iPhone to iOS 17.4, and after that you have to be resident of that countries which are eligible for that, which means you have to be in European countries. So you can simply download and install third-party apps on your iPhone without any problem. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply search for alternative app store on your Safari, and you can simply find many options on Google. So here are some options available iOS App Store alternatives like App Valley, Cydia, and App. Any of the apps are available. So you can simply use one of them to download and install alternative apps instead of the App Store official store. So in this way, you can simply download and install third-party application only to limited countries. So you can simply check for that countries and whether you are eligible for that third-party application install or not. So you have to simply make sure of that. So only a limited number of countries are eligible for that. So if you are eligible, then you can simply download and install third-party application instead of the App Store. Otherwise, you are not eligible. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.